Okay, now I want to show you how to install FreeBSD on an existing Linux system. And FreeBSD works in 64-bit mode. I couldn't get any of the Linux versions to work on it. So I think I'll be probably switching real soon to FreeBSD. They have an awesome system. I tried TrueOS, which was formerly PCBSD, and they put a lot of work into it. You know, I appreciate the work that they put into it, but it was too much. You know, like I was in a jail and I had no control over the install, and I just had to pick what they wanted. Okay, so now the first thing I want to show you is we'll check out CFdisk. Now my typing is going to be a little off because I have a camera in front of me. Okay, now you can see I already have it installed on here. And FreeBSD does not like the fact that you would want to create a partition for it to install onto. It likes creating its own partitions. It uses gpart, and I'm not familiar with that. I have to get myself familiar with that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my my layout. Okay. All right. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reboot the system. Okay. And I downloaded the 64-bit version of it. I already have it in my DVD, ready to boot. And there's a few things, during the install that don't quite work out, but I'll show you how to fix that. Like the network, name server. You have to find out from your provider the name server. I use Comcast, so I want to show you, how to do it if you have Comcast. And there are free name servers available, but I haven't tried that. Let's see if I can find my paper here. This is a clusterfuck. Okay, here we go. Name servers. Okay, number one. Oh, it already started. Not paying attention. Whoops. Screwed up. Just a little bit here. Okay. Alright, booting up. Now, this is an awesome system. And they have an awesome package manager called PKG. And the only thing that I found is they don't have multi-lib support when you're compiling 32-bit programs in C. But that's okay. I believe there's a way you can do it, but you just have to put a little bit of work into it. I haven't looked into it yet. Alright, it takes a little bit of time, but I've been with Linux since the early 90s when I first started out. And I have to say, I want to switch to BSD. I tried BSD in the 90s also, but I might be switching over. Okay, here we go. Now I just pick install, enter. Okay, and I'll just default key map. Okay, and I'll just okay, and you highlight, you know, what you want to install. Okay, I don't want the source. Maybe in the future I will. Okay, now we have some options here. And I want to use the first option, the guided disk setup, because I'm not familiar with, you know, the way they partition the drives. And this is pretty easy. I would go with ZFS, but I tried it, and I have to look, you know, further into it. So we're going to go with this. Okay, we don't want the entire partition. Okay, and now FreeBSD. Okay, we'll tab over. Oops. This reminds me a lot of the old school Linux, Slackware. Okay, I want to make it 100 gig. Okay. Alright. And click finish. It looks like everything is good. You know, they created swap space. 4 gigabytes. Alright. Finish. Commit. Okay, here we go. This reminds me of old school Linux. Alright, this will take a little bit. Now this just installs a base system, but after you have the system installed and the network configured, you can add your packages using pkg install. I want to install the window manager XFCE, that's my favorite one. I like KDE and GNOME, but this is less bloated and it works pretty well, or very well. Oh, there, okay. Takes a little while. Okay. Password. Okay, okay. IPv4. Yes. Yes. Now I want to pick no for this option. IPv6 could be a lot better, but for simplicity, and I'm familiar with 4, I want to pick no. Okay, now you might as well not even fill this out, because it doesn't put it in your resolv.conf file. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Well, now let me fill it out. You know, we'll fill it out and I'll show you. Okay, we'll do search. Okay, name server. Now you have to figure, you know, you can use a free name server or you know, the one, you know, that your provider provides. Okay. 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 Alright, let's see, let me check it out. Is that right? That's correct? Yes. Okay. And I want to show you, you know, what happens. You have to reconfigure it anyway, but okay, here we go. Now I'm not sure about my CMOS, you know, the clock setting in it, so I'm just going to pick no. I should have looked into that, but you know, I want to pick no. And let's see, America. Let's see, let's go down to United States, down here somewhere. And here we go. And Pacific. Okay, no, I'm just going to skip that and that. Okay, let's see. Yes, yes. Okay. You know, I don't like any options, you know, hardening options as they call them, and so I'm not going to pick any of those. No, I'm going to add a user later. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to exit. And the good thing about this is they don't, you know, they don't screw with your boot record. Okay? FreeBSD overwrites it without even letting you know. I mean, they put a lot of work into it, and it's a fine product. But you know, FreeBSD is the Arch, you know, is equivalent to what Arch Linux is. You just start out with the base system, and then you can add to it, and that's what I like. But other people might not like that. I don't know. Okay. No. Reboot. Okay, let me get the DVD out of here. Reboot. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to reboot my Arch Linux system. And we're going to configure grub. Okay. As you can see, I have one version of it on here already. Okay. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so it's going to be 4. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Let me see. I forget what the file is. Okay. Oops. Not found. Oh, okay, I didn't install Vim. That's what it is. Fine. Okay. Now we're going to add our entry. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we'll call this version 2. Okay, then I just have to change the 3 to a 4. Okay, and that should work. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is we have to reconfigure grub. Okay. Let's see, what does that come in? I forget, it's grub make config -o. I think I remember what it is. -o. Let's see. Hopefully that's correct. Let me look it up real quick just to make sure it's done. It looks like everything worked out fine for that. But I just want to make sure, so I don't waste any time here. I'm pretty sure that's sure. Yeah, okay. Alright, now we're going to reboot. Let's see. Oh, wasn't paying attention. That sucks. Let me do it again. I got sidetracked for a second. Here we go. I got to increase my attention span. Okay, here we go. Number 2. Okay, 1. Okay, it'll take a few seconds. The first thing I want to check is the network. My last install, it didn't work out of the box. So it's probably going to be the same. I can pick an IP. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, up. Okay, I got an address, a net mask, broadcast. Okay. Now watch, I'll show you. I can pick an IP address. Let's see. Oh no, I typed in the wrong one. Okay, hold on. It's a 4. I have to get a new set of eyes. Okay, there we go. Now watch. I'll try to ping on name, and it won't work. Well, it probably won't work. Okay. Nope. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to edit the resolv.conf file. Okay, and we'll add our name server in here. First we'll put the search. Oops. Okay. And it's the 75, all 75s. Okay. Okay. Alright, yeah, it looks right. Okay, now let's try it. And there we go. Okay, now that's how you fix that. You just have to, use a name server, free name server, or your ISP's name server. Okay. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to install Xorg. Okay. And let's see, PKG. Oops, PKG. Yes. Okay, this will take a little while. Yes. Alright. Then after we install this, we want to install XFCE4. They have a very nice package manager. Many packages available, and this is the best way to create your system. Then you have exactly what you want. Okay. It'll take a little bit. Okay. 100. It's going to take a little while here. I might have to try to speed up the speed of the video when I recreate it. So we don't have to be tortured, watching this, watching grass grow. Okay, I'm back. My camera ran out of space. Okay. Now we're going to install XFCE. Yes. And I'll install Firefox also. And sudo, I'll also have to install sudo because I want to add a user. Okay, this will take a little while. Oh, and I also have to install GCC and NASM. But I think to make the video a little shorter, I might skip the installations of those packages. Because it's, you know, PKG space install Firefox, PKG space install GCC. So I'm just going to skip that part. It looks like we're getting close to the end. Okay, now we have to edit our .xin. Okay, ready? vi dot. Oops. trc. Okay, and we'll add start. Okay, I think that's correct. I hope it is. Let's try now. Yes, okay. There we go. Default config. Okay. Alright. Now let me show you. Okay, we'll do -m. I'm going to show you that it's 64-bit, and I want to download GCC for further proof. And this will be the probably the final package I install. And I'll create a quick, you know, hello world program. -m64, you know, -m64, 64-bit. This will take a few seconds, or maybe minutes. Oops. There we go. Let's see here. Let me play around with this while I'm waiting. A little bigger, too big. Right there. Okay, length. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Oops. Let me get rid of that space. Okay. Okay, GCC -m64. And there we go. And we might as well install, we'll install Firefox, okay? Yes. Okay. Take a minute. Okay, there we go. Let's see. I don't know if it updated down here. Let's see if it did. Oh yes, it did. And there we go. Okay, Firefox. Let's see if the sound works. I'll just pick some random video. Zombie juice. We'll pick that one. And there we go.
How many sizes of
I didn't have to
pentagon?
mess with Alpha.
How many letters are in the alphabet?
26.
No Alpha mix or anything.
Take your time.
Works out of the box. Okay. Alright. So now the next thing, let's see. What do we want to install? Okay, we're going to install sudo. Sudo. Okay, now we're going to add a user. Let's see if I remember this correctly. I think is it user add or add user? Whole name, leave empty, group, default, sh. Okay. Now we have to edit the sudo earth file, but it's not in a standard place, that Linux puts it. So we'll have to find it. I forget where it is. Okay, user local etc, okay. And then we'll edit that file. Oops, I must have typed something wrong. What did I do? User local sudoers sudoers. Oh, I forgot the L. How stupid of me. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay. Alright. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we know that works. I added a user. And there are many programs that you can install, but I want to stop there. You know, the video is getting too long. Alright, and that's it.